So when you take IP address, we have subnet mask also. Why we are using subnet mask? So mainly subnet mask used to separate our network and host part, right? For example, this one is again 32-bit value. When it comes to subnet mask, this is also 32-bit value. So maximum subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, 255. This number you can represent using subnet mask also. Mainly we are using to divide our network. To divide our network, we are using subnet mask. When you divide network using subnet mask, there will be a network ID and host ID section. Network and host section. Right. So and also we can determine our broadcast address by using subnet mask, right? Okay, so an IP address is divided into two parts. As we told, we have network and host part. The ones in the subnet mask represent the network part. For example, if you take 192.168.1.0 address, then this is class C IP address, right? So in the next video we will discuss classes. When it comes to class C, that subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. That means we have 8 1, another 8 1 255, then last 255, and finally 0, right? We have these IP address when you convert this into the binary format. So ones will represent the network, then these remaining ones will be represent the host. Then we have 8 hosts, that means 2 to the power 7, that means you can have between 0 and 255 host IP address in this class C address, right? So and also you can represent these 255 mean we have 24 bit for the subnet mask. When you write your IP address 192.100.2.5, you can write /24 instead of that number to identify subnet mask value. That means we have 24 bit in subnet mask. When it comes to classless interdomain routing, mainly we are using this number to identify the subnet mask, that means network part.